We are ready to do this unveiling. My name is Mike Clark. I'm the co-host of V8 Radio, and I'm here with Marty Burke, and we are going to look at something really special under this tarp.
Yes, sir. We got a 1969 Cyclone spoiler, Dan Gurney special, 428 Ram Air Super Cobra Jet, 4-speed, 430 gear. The only one in existence with black interior and probably 430 gear.
That's a mouthful.
Yeah, it is.
That's a lot of car. That's pretty special.
Yep.
Well, let's not wait. Let's not keep these people waiting any longer. Let's get this cover off.
We brought a 1969 Mercury Cyclone spoiler, Dan Gurney special. This is what they call the short nose car, W front car. This has a lot more options than what a spoiler 2 has. A spoiler 2 car really had no options. They were all long nose, 351 4-barrel Windsor cars. Right now it's a little fuzzy. There's about 5 Super Cobra Jet Dan Gurney cars. We think, as it stands right now, that there is only one 430 gear car, and this is it. Being the Super Cobra Jet car, it does have a tack. It does have the 430 gear, 4-speed. It's dressed out to go. All the Dan Gurney special cars are presidential blue and Wimbledon white. And what's interesting, keeping true to the actual form, this is a single stage white. This is not a base coat, clear coat, where this is just the way Ford or Mercury painted the car in the white. You can't get single stage in metallic anymore, so the blue is a 2-stage. But this is just the way it would have come out of the factory in Lorain, Ohio in 1969 on the white. This car I purchased in September of 2018. I found it in the barn in Tennessee. It was actually a running car. I wouldn't say running driving car, but it was a running car. I knew of the car. It was actually a friend of mine. He was not sure exactly what he was going to do with the car, and we decided, we did talk about how this car really needed to have a concourse restoration. Probably about 6 months later, he gave me a call and he said he had some other plans to go, and he had a real estate purchase that he could be doing, and if I was willing to take the car, and as long as I would restore the car to concourse level, that he would sell me the car. And I think he said it was like sending a child off to college. I mean, this is an emotional, and again, it shows in the car hobby how emotional these things can be. And I went over in September, purchased the car, put it in the trailer. I did notify my buddy Jason Billups, who I've known for years. When I told him what I found, he was ecstatic about doing the restoration. Normally I do my own restorations, but on a car of this level, I really, really wanted to make sure that we did what's right for this car. This car is just an incredible piece of history. We were able to get the car done about 2 weeks ago. So everything fits well, and we're really, really, really pleased to be here. I have driven it. It has 12 miles on it now, and it's been a fun 12 miles. Definitely staying in my stable with my other Cobra Jet cars. It's actually going to be my premier car. I really, really like the car.